What's going on with y'all boys? Today, if y'all didn't know, was one of the greatest economic days in history for the stock market, for NASDAQ, for ES, for crypto, for everything overall. And I'm here to recap that. But today on the Asia session for GBP JPY and USD JPY, I could not find any trades to take. Like I told y'all recently, I haven't been liking the price action, so I don't enter any trades unless I really feel like high convicted. I feel like I won't, just throw money out there. Otherwise, it's just gambling. What's the difference between, you know, trading and going to a casino and putting $100 in on red if you're not, using your analysis, using indicators and whatnot. So I'm gonna do a little short recap for JBP, GPY, USD, JPY, and then I'm gonna recap ES and NQ for y'all as well, just to show y'all what happened in the market today. So with USD, JPY, I'll start off. As y'all can see, London, our high got swept during the Trump tariff news. There's no reaction out of it, so I marked that. London low didn't get touched. New York low didn't get touched. And coming into like market open, the New York high was literally like 87 pips away, while the closest low from market open was like 300 like pips or ticks or whatever away. So in my opinion, it just makes sense that we're gonna want to go for the New York high, right? So I'm looking to take longs. So as we enter market open, Asia market open, you see we take out this 1 hour low, we get a little reaction out of it. We come down, we form this 5 minute bearish for value gap. We tap into this 1 hour bullish for value gap, and I assume immediately out of it we're gonna get reactions. We don't. And then I'm just waiting, just looking at price action, seeing what it would give me. And it's not much. Like we're just playing into this little zone, nothing really happening. Like we enter this 1 minute bearish for value gap, we get down candles out of it, we sweep out this low, we get up candles out of it, and then we just create this like weird pattern. And honestly, I've been on the charts for like an hour and a half now, like pre-market, in market. So I just don't see myself, especially with all this like downwards confluence, I just don't see myself taking a trade today. But as you can see, we hit this bearish value gap, we get reaction out, sweep this low, we go up, we fill in this for value gap, and we're just like dancing around in it. So I don't know, but same thing really on JBP JPY, except it's like a little weirder, right? Like we open, we form this 1 minute bearish value gap, we get down candles out of it. We form this 5 minute bearish value gap. We get down candles out of it. We sweep out this 5 minute low. Nothing happens. We sweep out this 1 hour low. Nothing happens. We fill this 1 hour bullish value gap. Nothing happens. We're just like falling and falling and falling. And then I was low key looking to take it. This was like if I was gonna take a trade, I actually, was gonna take this right here. I got to sweep out here, and I would have taken this a little below here and probably ran it till like here. But as you see, we didn't get anywhere with that. And especially in recent days, I've been taking like less confluence trades. So I wanted to double check and not only sweep out this for value gap, but also invalidate this bearish for value gap before I enter the trade. Which, as you can see, we hit this bearish for value gap and we get down candles out of it. And then we get down candles out of it, we come down, we form this BPR, we go up, we hit this bearish value gap again, come down into the BPR, get upwards candles out of it, fill this bearish for value gap, we come out of it, and then it's just it's just dancing around. I didn't like price action today, but y'all can see I couldn't really find a trade because from 7:32 to 8:11, we just been in this little zone. So I don't really take a trade. That's really it. For ES and NQ now, as y'all can see, I'm going to backtest it with y'all. So, as y'all can see, market opens at what, 8:30? So we have market opening at 8:30. And then this is London session. This is Asia session right here. So, as y'all can see, we have our Asia high right here. Nah, because that got swept. Did it? Yeah, it got swept out. So that's not our Asia high. Because as y'all remember, a high is an up candle, then a down candle. So this is not our Asia high. This is our Asia high right here. So This is our Asia high. Swept. And then we have our London high. Right. We didn't sweep our, actually we swept our London high right on market open. So I don't really know what I would have done. But here we have our London low. And here's our Asian low right here. So those are like the 4 things that we have. And honestly, we already took out Asia high. So I'm probably, like, coming into market, I would have probably wanted to take out the London high. But after that, I don't know where I would have gone, probably. But as y'all could see, jeez, I went to NQ. As y'all could see, yeah, there's not really any, like, 1 hour confluence over here. I guess you could call this, like, bearish zone. But even then, the bottom of the bearish zone is, we're already past that. So, nothing really there. 15-minute wise, I mean, we have this high right here. This is a nice little 15-minute high. 15-minute high. That's really it. I mean, we have this other 15-minute high right here, but bro, y'all can't even see it because of all these candles. And then 5-minute. So for me, 5-minute personally, I wait for like a sweep, a liquidity sweep before I enter into anything on the 5-minute. And honestly, we don't get the 5-minute till like 9:55. Wait, let me check. Yeah, nothing really crazy going on. I mean, we have the bond auction, but nothing really crazy. As y'all could see, so at 9:55 we get a 5-minute sweep right here. Is that even a sweep? Nah, it's not. Yeah, we don't touch it. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I don't really know. I mean, we get close to it. Let's just say, for example's sake, I get into it. Or, I mean, I scroll into the 1-minute. Yeah, there's not much, honestly. I mean, until 12:30, there's not really much. That's when the tariff news comes out. But until that, we're just, like, trading straight price action. I mean, not price action, sloppy price action. It's just a zone. NASDAQ-wise, if we want to look at NASDAQ, nah, I didn't mean to remove my indicators. Yeah, alright. NASDAQ-wise, yeah. Alright, so we have Wednesday 8:30. This is the New York market open. Here we have Asia market open. Yeah, and then we have London market open. So this is the New York high right here. This is the Asia high, which is already swept, just like the other thing, other example, just like yes. And then here we have Asia low, and then we have the NQ low, right? I mean, not, bro, what? We have the London low. This is the London high. And yeah. Yeah, no 1 hour confluence either. But I do want to see from this high to 8 o'clock. I want to see, yes. Nah, no S&T there either. 15-minute wise. Okay, let's see 5-minute wise. So, jeez, alright. It's literally the same exact price action. Except this price action, I think we actually do get a sweep right here. So at 10 o'clock, we do get a sweep. So 10, I'm scrolling in here. And then I guess the only trade that, like, I wouldn't even take this, but the only trade that I would say is a valid trade is here. Especially here, we come past it, we retrace into this equilibrium here. Place like your stops a little bit below this for value gap. And then here, I guess. But even then, I probably wouldn't have taken a NASDAQ or ES trade today, because you can see price action was like so terrible until 12:30, and even then, like, it just goes to the moon. Oh, let me see how my GBP was doing. Yeah. Jeez, yeah, same thing. I mean, it's just zone trade, USD. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Trade tomorrow. Appreciate y'all. Subscribe. Have a great day. Follow my TikTok, at One Piece Solos 5. I'm dropping like 3 to 4 videos every day, just dropping knowledge. Appreciate y'all. Have a great night.